Place the logo on the timeline. Adjust its position and size. Place the title above it and align it. Increase the duration of both clips and create a fusion clip. Go to Fusion. Delete unnecessary nodes. Connect the logo directly to Media Out. Add a glow node and a rectangular mask. Adjust the mask size. Soften the edges. Go to frame 35, move the mask outside the logo and set a keyframe for the mask position. Move 20 frames forward and shift the mask to the opposite side of the logo. Go to Glow and set blend to 0 on frames 35 and 55. On frame 45, set it to 0.2. Group these nodes. Connect the second file. Repeat all previous steps exactly the same for it. Add some motion. Connect a DVE node. Go to frame 35 and set a keyframe for Move Z. Move to the first frame and slightly decrease the value. Move to the last frame and set the value the same as the first frame. Repeat this for the other group, but here slightly increase Move Z at the beginning and end of the clip. Go to Spline and smooth both Move Z curves. Return to Edit. Add sound. Create a soft fade in and fade out.